How to install latest version of miui 12 2618 to Poco F1, and this is from Xiaomi EU port. We are going to flash this ROM by using TWRP recovery. So you must flash TWRP recovery before all doing this. I given download link in description. Just download the ROM and move to your phone storage or SD card. Create one folder and move the file to that folder. Now switch off your phone. After that, we need to go into TWRP recovery by holding power button and volume increase button at the same time. Just keep press till vibrates, then release both keys. It's booting into TeamWin recovery project, that is TWRP. So in this TWRP, all we have to do is go to wipe and advanced wipe, choose Dolby Cache system and data. So these four are mandatory while flashing a ROM. Just wipe. After wiping, go back, choose install, select you already created the folder. Here just select the downloaded file and swipe to confirm flash. I strongly suggest you don't flash by directly flash. After flashing, do wipe again. That's it. Now reboot your system, swipe to confirm. That's it. Please keep in mind, if your phone are encrypted, then flash disable force encryption file. And this is pre-rooted ROM with Magisk latest version. After booting, do installation process like language, SIM cards and fingerprint pattern, etc. And finally, we have 4 themes to finishing setup. So in these 4 themes, and just select which one is you like to use. I'm going to choose this one default. So that's it, all set. Now we successfully flashed the latest version of miui 12 2618 from Xiaomi EU port to Poco F1. Now let's see some of the features in this build. I think this is special edition for us because it comes with custom Lauren kernel and latest security patch like June. Here you are able to see the version of miui 12 and all specs. Here you can see 2026-1 security patch level and a custom kernel like Lauren latest beta. In this Xiaomi EU, you will get smooth experience than before one. You can see this is status bar, but you can use both miui 11 and 12 status bar with this build. I go to settings and display, scroll down, here control center. So just disable use new control center. After that you will available to use miui 11 toggle. So now you can see, if you like to use miui 12 status bar, then enable it. After that we are going to see about dual status bar. So I am going to choose dual status bar. Now you are able to see your top both corners like this. Now I just enable data in my SIM. So after that you will see like data meter. Next one is app drawer. So you just enable app drawer by using settings. Go to home screen, same home screen. Here you can choose with app drawer. After that it enabled. So now you are able to use app drawer with this build. So there is no lagging and issue with app drawer. That's it. If you have any doubt, put your comment, I will reply. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe it.